Alright, well today we are changing out the tail light, the upper tail light on the truck, because the wiring is kind of rotted out in the old one. I've also cleaned this. I'm going to reseal this surround because it's leaking. And this came with foam gasket. We put a new foam gasket on it, so that'll help seal the light fixture, hopefully. And it came with a two-piece. I don't know. I'm guessing we're supposed to put that across the back here too. I don't know. I may do it anyways because it could be quite useful. Let's see, it goes this way.
What are you resealing the top with?
I am going to seal it with, I'm going to use what I keep using, Flex Seal.
That didn't happen. We didn't see that.
Super Kit Cam. Hi. Hi, hello, hi. Okay, these doojamahickeys need to come out of the headliner up here. You know, I don't care that I'm creasing the roof, but that connector right there. So that needs to be plugged into there. It's kind of tight in here. That's what she said.
Okay, we got it clipped in. As you can see, it's working. I've got lights that are actually where they're supposed to be. We've got double gasketed so that it'll all seal up. I'll push it tight. We've got the screws fed through. New rubber washers that came with it to seal it. And I put the cellophane back over it to hold them in place. Now I got to put this gusset back in place.
Apply Flex Seal before you...
Nope, Flex Seal is going to go behind it. But I am not going to tighten this all the way down. I am going to set it in, though. So there's that. And these will tighten down and pull back further. I just started it because I need to be able to pull this away from the truck a little bit to get the sealant I'm putting in. Brake light. And now that's dry, so I gotta go get the Flex Seal and a caulk gun. Flex Paste, not a sponsor. But you seal this up good.
You're supposed to take
It's
the
Flex
windshield
Seal,
out
not a
before you seal
sponsor, and he didn't wait for me to give him a thumbs up this time.
I would make the hole bigger so you can do the mega squirt even more.
I may need to.
It's definitely not the way you're supposed to reseal that, but that's the kid approach of just...
It was also the body shop approach. I asked the body shop guy and he said, well, short of replacing the whole windshield, because apparently you have to replace the whole surround and the glass because it's all assembly. And then hope the foam doesn't rot out again. Let's see if I can get this.
Usually when I'm siliconing / Flex sealing things in a vehicle, it's to make it stop rattling. I've never had to seal anything from leaking.
Well, I wouldn't make fun of Ford for this, but it is 20 years old. So
The foam died.
yeah.
Okay, well, we've got it sealed. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's good and sealed so it'll quit raining inside the truck. That was my biggest goal. As you can see on that seat, it's been getting rained on since I bought the truck. And good and sealed, and it should fade into the rest of it after a while. And the nice new light, and as you see, not close up, it's not so bad. It looks a lot better from a distance. But old rough truck. So I did not film you. But yeah, Flex Seal. I'm going to go use that in the basement. New light, new everything. So hopefully now, with everything resealed and reworked, I'll have cargo lights that work and a roof that doesn't rain. So until next time, Krazy Karl Projects. Have a good one. 2 days of rain, and the seat is completely dry where the roof leaks. It's completely dry, so the seal worked. That's great. So long.